Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from ALCATEL 1SE Lite to an Android device. Firstly, go into Play Store on both and download free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Then, in order to use it, click on the same options on both devices. Firstly, I agree. Then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second one, I agree. Confirm, continue, allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to. To close it, hit OK. Then select Close in white pop-up at the top and select Send at the bottom left corner of ALCATEL. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on an Android, click on one of those options to decide if you want to personalize your ad experience. Click on Close this window and go back to ALCATEL. You can finally use all of those categories available at the top and select multiple files that you wish to transfer. Then hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Finally, hit Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. If you want to connect by scanning this QR code, click on the scanning icon next to Input key on an Android. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. You can also input this key into Input Key section and tap on Receive. As you can see, after that, all of my photos come on. Now all of my photos were finally successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!